So I grew up with the beach behind me. When the tide is out, the rock pools were exposed and it was a full exploration. I even had a cat I would bring with me on these explorations. I just was fascinated with the ocean. And I suppose when you grow up with something that's like your family, you want to protect it like it's your family too. Why is the sea around Kerry so special? From the rock pool exploring or out there with basking sharks. You know, we have so much life here.
If you're lucky enough to get the chance to put your head in the water here, you will see it at the first glance. It's just so colorful. If you look at that from the surface, it looks a little bit brownish, maybe not so attractive, but once you put your head in there, it's really colorful. Lots of different fish species, different crabs, the seals. There's just so much to see. It's incredible.
I had very little knowledge about the sea around Kerry before I came down here, and I'm just so surprised that every time we get in the water you always see something new.
Once you put that mask on, the water's so clear, there's an incredible variety of plant life, animal life, and Sea Synergy have opened my eyes to what's there. I love it.
And it's really important that we think about it in a way that we can protect it for future generations and for nature itself.
What I love about the goals of Sea Synergy is, yes, we want to bring people to the ocean and the ocean to the people. Both the people have been living here forever, but also the newcomers like myself and the refugees and everyone else. What we aim for is the people from the local community and the people that come visit become the stewards of the ocean.
And really we do that through awareness and education in schools and through our eco tours as well, just helping people understand the ocean, but also through our research and citizen science, which is one of our key pillars.
We have our Sea Synergy oyster project that has been running for already more than 3 years.
Our previous research officer, Anna Kelleher, she looked at the remaining population and mapped exactly where the remaining oysters are.
So we have now a good idea of where the oysters are, and now we're taking the next step.
And now our task this year is to try a pilot restoration survey. So we will put some oyster shells into the water, because that's what the oyster larvae like to attach to. And if we are lucky, we will get some baby oyster reefs growing there. And if that works properly, then we will upscale over the next years and see if we can regrow our oyster reefs and recreate this beautiful habitat. The seagrass meadow is also a very important ecosystem.
It's a habitat that has been understudied in Ireland and not many people know much about it.
They increase the biodiversity, and so it's a very important habitat as well.
And everything we do is of course always connecting the people with the habitat. So we're doing workshops and we're doing surveys together with the communities.
Our mission now is to find out what's the health of the seagrass meadows. If we find the health is not in a good shape, then we will see if we can start a restoration project in the next years.
So with Sea Synergy, we really like to offer access to ocean science, and what's really important about that is they build pride of place.
Every time we go out on our activities, we always write down what we saw.
So they're able to contribute to these different data schemes that then can help with policy change.
So even the tourists that come here just for a day will contribute to national and international data, which is really great.
I walk on the beach regularly with my dog and I'm very curious about what's on there. So I've loved the seashore surveys. I've dived abroad, but I'd never done any snorkeling or anything here. So it's been a safe way to get back into the water. What Sea Synergy are doing is opening it up for people who don't know anything, who have no background in science.
So we've been working with the Marine Institute and the Explore Education program, and yeah, I wanted to bring it up because it's an amazing opportunity for schools to get involved, and this is how it looks when we go out with the students and do the activities.
Because Sea Synergy have helped me gain some confidence in snorkeling skills and my ability to survey and to see what's going on, I really want to set up a group now for my local area where we snorkel the same spot regularly, so we're contributing to to a record of what's here now. I'm really excited about doing that.
So I graduated from university from Marine and Terrestrial Conservation last year, and I was looking for internships, doing my research, and I saw Sea Synergy, and it was a mix of research, marine activities and public awareness as well. And I've been working on my inclusivity project as well to hopefully bring that into Sea Synergy and make it something that they can use and make it more accessible for people with impairments and disabilities.
I'd like people to know that Ireland doesn't end where the land ends, so there's so much more. Ireland actually has 8 times as much sea area as it has land area.
Yeah, so what you see here is the real map of Ireland, and this literally shows how important it is for Ireland, for us living in Ireland, to protect this space.
And so when people come and they do a tour with us, we hope to show them more what is out there and all the different species and creatures that you can encounter out there on the water.
So what I'd like people to gain from this is love for the place they live in and for the amazing nature we have around us, and the feeling that it's not hopeless, because that's, I think, the state many people are in, especially the younger generation. We're showing them what there is and what they can do to support it.
It's really inspiring to see people coming for activities like stand-up paddleboarding or kayaking and leaving with a new profound love of the sea, which is cool.
And it's just amazing to see their eyes shining, like it's just very, very beautiful. I just hope they go away feeling like hopeful and like revitalized.
I definitely recommend other people getting involved if they possibly can. There's so many different ways, so you don't have to be putting on a wetsuit and getting in the water. You can take part in a seashore survey, and it's great for all ages. So I definitely recommend it to anybody.
If anyone would like to get involved in our eco tours, our citizen science, or anything at all, you can check out our website or give us a call.